Why do I need to hire an estate planning attorney? Can't I just write it all down and sign it? I'm estate planning attorney Valerie Zammitti, helping families in New York and New Jersey. If you have any questions, please drop them for us, and we'll do our best to get back, as we're here educating everybody for free. It's our goal to help as many families be prepared for the what-if scenario before it happens. So please share. Can you write your wishes down and just sign it, is the question from someone in New Jersey. First, it does depend on state law as to whether or not what we call a holographic will, a writing of your own, is acceptable. So that does determine that initially. New Jersey does allow holographic wills. Is it advisable? No. And I'm not just saying that because I'm an estate planning attorney. I've seen so many individuals either writing their own wishes down or, more likely these days, using some sort of DIY tool to put together what they consider a good estate plan. Unfortunately, it typically is not. There are many holes in those plans. They're not fully protected themselves. They haven't done right or the maximum that they can do for their family to protect them. And often over time, it becomes insufficient to cover their future needs. See, an estate plan is not something you create once and forget about it forever. It really does need to change and mold as your life changes. And preparing something yourself with some basic wishes, while may express certain things, is not going to keep updating itself when your life circumstances change. And maybe you have other things that need to have happen that you're just not aware of. It's important to have a chat with a knowledgeable estate planning attorney so that you can get some insight and educate yourself. That's the key in life. If you don't do this yourself for your livelihood, just educate yourself, learn more, ask questions, and perhaps you'll see a DIY or holographic will may not be the right fit for you or your family. I hope that's helpful. Please share.